Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gaming short video viral full guide. Start by creating a sharp hook that captures attention in the first 2 seconds and promises a payoff. Keep scenes short and rhythm tight so viewers stay through the whole clip. Layer in game sounds, captions, and a clear call to action asking viewers to comment their favorite moment. Test variations and double down on what gets the most watch time. Trim footage to the most engaging 15-60 seconds and keep edits clean and punchy for mobile viewers. Use jump cuts and speed ramps to emphasize key hits, combos, or reactions while maintaining audio clarity. Add concise captions so viewers can follow without sound, and use contrast to make thumbnails pop on the feed. Aim for a natural cadence that encourages rewatching and sharing among gaming communities and friends. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future videos and keep these tips coming. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with making content as a side hustle. I found it practical and easy to follow, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Publish natively on each platform and tailor the caption to the audience you want to reach, whether casual viewers or hardcore players. Share in relevant communities, tag creators, and cross-promote in stories or pinned posts to drive initial momentum. Monitor retention metrics and repost the highest performing cut with a different thumbnail or hook. Regular testing and consistent output will reveal what resonates and helps build algorithmic favor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.